Hi, let me show you how to set different notification sound for each separate app on Samsung Galaxy A36. For that, we need to go in Settings first and find Notifications section. Then make sure to select App Notifications and choose app for which you want to set different sound. For example, we can choose Samsung Messages. Make sure that you tapped on the section to adjust its settings and that the sound and vibrations are turned on so the switch is blue. And after that, go to Configure in Messages, tap on the sound, and now you can set different sound for this app and save changes by going back. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.